Welcome to Teacher Sabrina's Toy Story dance class.
Hi, my friends. Today I brought with me one of my favorite friends from Toy Story. Can anybody guess who this is? Yay! It's Jessie. Hi, Jessie. I brought my beautiful Jessie costume today for our warm-up dance. So, is everybody ready? Awesome. Okay, let's go, Jessie. Today we're going to be doing the song You've Got a Friend in Me from Toy Story. Here we go. Okay, my friends, what we're going to do first is we're going to stretch up, little arms up, beautiful, and down. We're going to go left like this.
You've got a friend in
Let's
me.
go to the right. Perfect. One more time.
You've got a friend in me.
Down. There we go. Okay. Now what we're going to do is our arm circles.
Rough ahead and your miles and miles.
Let's go in
to your
circles.
nice
There we
bed.
go.
You just remember what your old past did. Boy, you got a friend in me.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now,
you
everyone, we're going to do
got
some
a
jogging.
friend in
Like,
me.
so can everybody jog? I like to move my arm.
You got a friend
Now I
in
want us
me.
to go in a circle and jog.
You got a friend in
Everybody
me.
run in a circle together.
You got trouble. I got them too. There isn't anything
Perfect, my
good.
friends. Great job. Okay, now what I want to do
Stick
is
together.
side shuffle.
See
So
it
this is
through.
really fun. So just
You
follow
got a
me.
friend.
We're going to be first is bend our knee. We're going to go side to
You
side,
got a friend in
out.
me.
Can everybody do this? Side to side.
Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am. Big and stronger too.
Perfect.
Maybe
Okay, now this one's super fun, everyone.
but I
Let's do
will
our
love
legs.
you the way I do. It's me and you, boy.
Like
And
this.
if the
Now,
years go by,
let's do the other leg.
a friendship will never die. You're
In our
gonna
last
see
move, let's do
it's
some
our
jumping
dance.
jacks together. Here we go. One,
You got a friend in me.
3, 4,
You
5.
got a friend in me.
Beautiful.
You got a friend in me.
Okay, let's shake it out, everybody. Let's finish off with some stretching. Up, down, and take a bow. Beautiful. Great job, my friends. Yay, great job, my friends. That was awesome for our Disney Toy Story
Dance class.
Great job. Thank you, everybody. Well, let me go get my best friend. 1 second, everyone. Yay! Here's my best friend, Mickey Mouse. Everyone say, hi, Mickey. Yay! Hi, Mickey Mouse. Mickey, did you have a fun time dancing today? Yes, he did. Oh, I had so much fun, too. Okay, everybody. See you next time. Bye, my friends. Bye, everyone.
Hi, my friends. If you enjoyed this Disney dance class, please hit that subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. That way you can check out all of my dance classes. I have a really fun Beauty and the Beast dance class, an Aladdin dance class, a Peter Pan dance class, a Mickey Mouse Clubhouse dance class, and a Frozen dance class with Olaf and Elsa. Yay! Thanks, everyone. See you next time.